Toxic algae blooms are destroying our lakes and oceans. The harmful blooms are deteriorating the quality of our water, which is making the water highly hazardous to swim and drink. The algae is destroying our precious ecosystems that provide us with our beautiful nature parks and recreation. These toxic algae blooms are occurring due to eutrophication. According to the literature review of characterization, factors, impacts, and solutions to lake eutrophication, lesson for Lake Tana, Ethiopia, Ayele, eutrophication is known as polluted water bodies that are overabundant with plant nutrients, which causes harmful toxic algae blooms. This event is caused by an overaccumulation of nitrogen and phosphorus in the water. Nitrogen and phosphorus are key elements for plant growth and in fertilizer. These key elements run off into lakes, streams, and oceans from the overuse of fertilizers in agriculture, poor sewage, and storm runoff systems from urban areas. Places with high urban development suffer the most due to the lack of natural soil to filter pollution and the high population density. As pollution runoff accumulates into the water, it overfertilizes, which causes an algae growth takeover. When it's in season for the algae to bloom, it releases toxins into the water, putting humans and animals at risk. These toxins can also contaminate the fish that we eat. Once all of the algae starts to die off in the winter season, the decomposing algae takes away all of the oxygen within the water, suffocating fish and all of the other organisms. What can we do to stop eutrophication from taking over our waters? Well, we need to stop the key elements nitrogen and phosphorus from entering the waters. Since this is a nutrient runoff issue, some things we can do is decrease the amount of fertilizers we use to prevent the excess nutrients to be washed into our streams. We could also improve storm drain and sewage systems to prevent outflow runoff. And we could potentially increase the flushing rate of lakes. The flushing rate is the exchange rate of water that enters into a lake and discharges from a lake. This allows for the lake to flush out polluted waters. As more parks and beaches close every year due to eutrophication, it is crucial to spread awareness of this event before we lose our beautiful water bodies that support our health, recreation, economy, and the beautiful world that we live in.